Hey guys, Evan here. It's my first YouTube video. I'm in my Model 3 mid-range here. I'm in the Raleigh-Durham area. And like many of you, there's been an issue with the HVAC system where it's been spewing out this nasty, mildewy smell for the first 1 to 2 minutes in the car right when I get in. I've done the old-fashioned trick where you pop the frunk and spray Lysol in there. I think it lasted like a week and then it came back right away. I made an appointment for service at my Tesla service center here in Raleigh, and they told me it was not covered under the warranty, and it'd be like $150 to $200 some dollars. And I said, okay, what other home remedies can I do so I don't have to pay that kind of money? And he's like, if you know where the cabin filters are located, you can pop those 2 filters out and then spray this Kool It Evaporator cleaner into your coils, and supposedly it's supposed to clean or get rid of the mildew smell in your Model 3. This is exactly what they use at the Tesla service center in Raleigh, according to the guy I talked to there. This costed about $16, $17 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. But hopefully this works, and I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do, guys, pull out your floor mats. And then this panel needs to come out, and you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pins that need to come out. So I just use, if I can focus on this, there you go. I use my fingernail, just kind of pop it out like so. Well, there we go. So now that you have the pins removed from the top part, you're gonna pull down on this, and it should come right down, and it'll come right out like this. Next thing we're gonna do is unhook the light and the speaker and remove this panel. Take your screw here. Just remove this out. So now we're on the side here. We have the top panel removed, right? Now we have to remove this whole side panel here. So I'm just gonna take my finger. And kind of pull it, pop it through here. Trying to get the light for you guys here. Alright, cool. So this all pops out. This will slide out like so. Alright, so now we have the side view of the center console here. So the actual cabin filters are right behind this orange wire right here, and if you can see, it's kind of hard, there's a Torx 15 right there that you have to remove. So I'm gonna unscrew that right now, guys, and take out the cabin filter for you quick, and this should pop open. Put it to the side over here, and you can see there's one of the cabin filters, and there's these little tabs that you can pull on to remove them. So just take one here, here's one, pull out, not too dirty, don't look too bad. This is only from December 2018, so not too bad. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then I'm gonna get the last one here. It slides up and pull on out. Alright. Still pretty clean. Oh, looks like there's some dirt in there. I'm gonna probably shake these out before I put them back in. And now I can see our evaporator coil. I don't know if you can zoom in. It's right there. And now I'm gonna turn the fan off here. If I can reach. Okay, the fan is off. And guys, I'll put a link in the description for this Kool It evaporator foam cleaner. Again, this is what the Tesla service center in Raleigh, Durham told me to get, and this is what they actually use. You can get it on Amazon. I think I paid like $16 for it. I have attached this hose that came with the box, and it will come out this end. And I'm gonna do the best I can to stick this into the evaporator coil area, guys. But to do this, it's very hard to record and do this at the same time, but you get the idea. To spray this towards the evaporator coils facing the passenger seats, and then according to the instructions, it says to leave it on there for 15 minutes and then run the fan on low for a good 15-20 minutes after that. So I'm gonna do this right now. I'll get back to you. Alright, you see I got a little bit on the side here, but there's not much in the can. I thought there'd be a lot more. You can see all the foam in there, and there's the evaporator coils. I didn't even get down in the corner there, but now I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes, and we'll see what happens. It's already starting to run out of the evaporator coils, which is what it's supposed to do. Cleaning out the system. Alright, it's been about 10-15 minutes here. Let's take a peek. Looks like it's pretty much all dried out there. I'm gonna run the fans for a good 5 minutes without the filters in there first. Run on low. Guys, it already smells like a nice, almost smells like a Windex cleaner smell. But I'm gonna run this fan for about another 5 minutes. I'm gonna put the cabin filters back in. Oh, I've been running the fan for about 15 minutes now. It smells a lot cleaner in the car, so hopefully it's worked out. I'm gonna keep you guys updated about a week or month from now to see how well it held up. But I'm gonna take this back off here. I'm gonna put my filters back in. So remember, it goes in like this, yellow facing the passenger side here. Let's give us another whirl here. So much easier when I have two hands. Slides in, let it fall down. There we go. The last one here. Make sure this tab's back down, guys, so you can pull it out for next time to replace. Slide this in, and it'll push both the tabs up. Make sure tabs are out, so one up, one down, and then I'll put this panel back on, and I'm gonna screw it back into place, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got that plastic panel screwed back into place here, I'm gonna put back on my plastic top with the light and the speaker here. It actually goes this way. Simply connect the wires back to where they were. Very easy. You'll hear them click back into place, and then this just pops up here, and you should click back into place like so. And then I'm gonna grab my 4 plastic pieces here. Make sure it's out first, not all the way in. You want to have this little plastic nail piece sticking out first before you put it back into its hole here. So just like this. And push. There's one. Alright, so that's all back in, guys. Now we just gotta put our side panel back in. There. And just kind of hit it back into place. This kind of pops back in, so. And you'll hear it click. Good. With the filters back in place and everything all put back together here, I'm gonna put the fans on full blast here and see what she smells like. And yeah, it smells like a new car smell now. I mean, I don't smell any more mildew, period. So looks like it worked. I'll give you an update a couple weeks from now and see how well it held up. Again, Kool It brand. If you want to save yourself some money, do it yourself. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.